to the walls of the tunnel. An acre of subterranean caverns and passages. Solid rock in the early 1800s by Joseph Colby. 23 pairs of niches designed for candles, carved.
Very Jack Abbey in the Smugglers' Caves. You are now standing 70 feet below ground. Did you know that? Bit damp and dark down here, innit? But that's exactly the sort of place where we smugglers like to hide our gin, tobacco and other booty in the old days. I should know. I was here. Of course. I was alive then. But there were people down here hundreds of years before us smugglers. Oh, yeah. Back in 1786, some posh gent found a pair of old beggars living here. They said the caves only went back a few feet into the darkness and told them to hop it. A few feet? Ah, I warrant the smugglers were slipping them a few coins to keep out prying eyes. But more about smugglers later. Being a bit of a showman, he got permission to open the caves to the public. Just round the corner. That's the military gentleman. St. Clement's Caves was the place to visit in Victorian times. In Hastings, so people came down here to be safe. There were nearly 600 beds in the caves. Imagine. Then after the war,
based near Bex Hill. Most of the book contains legitimate lists of groceries, but in...
Bring it ashore, boys. Not much. Without paying the taxes and import duties in this country, there's money to be made on almost anything. More profitable than fishing, eh? As long as you doesn't get caught. Bring it ashore, boys.
That's right, my old mates. Turn your face to the wall. So if they ask you, we're talking about smuggling, see? Bringing goods into the country illegal like. And there was a time from about 1700 until, say, 1830, when everyone was at it. That means the preventive men were out and about to catch us. Or,
All clear.
come ashore, lads. We're waiting to unload. And we had bodyguards.
Get no further.
They had big clubs or bats, which they used to discourage any nosy parties from interrupting our...
100 tubs ashore in 20 minutes.
Then once the tubs were hauled up the cliff, often by derrick crane, the tubmen carried them off into the night. And we used to encourage spooky stories to frighten people away from the hiding places.
Told me he had drunk no less than 2 gallons, and he was in a stupor for nearly a week afterwards.
We smuggled it strong.
That's 10 shillings, and you'll also get a pound of tea for a good haul.
Thank you, sir. I'll give it to Black-Eyed Nell for a favour.
That's a riding officer.
could earn as much as a farm labourer's weekly wage in just one night for carrying tubs from the seashore to various hiding places. With a team of these tub men running in all directions across the countryside, the risk...
That's me lying there, stabbed through the ribs by my own mate. Money for information, I was tempted, and look what happened. Serves me right. Dead men tell no tales.
2 more trucks to come there, Parson. I'll leave one up there for you. Hurry up, Parson. I can hear someone snooping around outside.
Reverse my soul. Well, I think I hear him now.
Smuggling was so profitable that it was largely taken over by gangs who terrorized the locals. In one episode, a farm worker was whipped to death by the Hawkhurst Gang, who quite wrongly accused him of stealing a bag of tea. Later for this crime and other murders, 12 of the gang were caught, convicted, and hanged.
Go on, man! You I didn't do the thing!
Oh, that'll be the worst.
Oh, but I never smuggled in my life! You've been smuggling! I tell you, leave go! Here! Get your hands off me! We have witnesses. You can search inside, you'll find nothing. Don't deny it! Oh! You have to come with us! There's no need to be so rough! We're not listening to you!
Eventually, the government lowered the taxes and a lot of you see, people are going by them. It only took the government about 2
Help me!
Obliges me to tell you that your time in this world will now be very short. Where you shall be hanged to die again until you return.